Alrighty, YouTube, welcome back. Back to your favorite shitbox. Or maybe not, I'm not here to tell you how to live your life. A little refreshing to be back, for me at least, because this is the first time I'm going to be touching Rat 10 in 2 weeks because I've been dealing with just stuff in my house not wanting to cooperate. That being said, let's just jump right into Rat 10 because I need to do some stuff to it. The last time you saw me, we finished making this little piece here for the drive shaft tunnel, realizing that the bucket seats I want to be using from NRG are not going to clear the way they were, so I ended up trimming about ½ an inch off of the back of my transmission tunnel here, and it feels like they're going to be doing pretty good. Boy. Apologies in advance if I don't get much done this video. The weather lately has been a mess, in turn has been making my brain a mess, and just the nature of getting back into all this after 2 weeks of ignoring it. Yeah. I know that's just an excuse, because man, I've been taking my sweet ass time on it. Okay, how do I want to do this? First of all, I need to see where that seat is going to sit on the floor, depending how wide those NRG mounts are. Forgive me, I couldn't find a measuring tape, but I just measured the outside width of the NRG seat mounts, and it's about 17 inches. Oh, this is 16 on this side anyways, that'll be good. A good reference. Wouldn't be hard to do it there to clear the seat belt. How is that for steering wheel center? So I'm just going to kind of plumb bob this here. This is not scientific at all, by the way. Well, isn't that convenient? With that seat right between basically both the seatbelt parts, that should put it almost dead center with the steering wheel. That's pretty good. And then all I'll have to do on this side is make a little piece of floor that extends out, and we'll be golden. I suppose I could relocate the seatbelt as well, but I'd rather have the steering wheel be centered with it than anything. So let's just focus on the driver's seat for now. The passenger seat, that can be done whenever. It's not a priority. Well, I guess it is a priority because I gotta do the floor to get the transmission tunnel in the middle. Ugh, yeah, I should probably sort them both out at the same time. My next question is the floor flat to any of these points? Actually, yeah. Wow, okay. So it looks like the raised part of the floor here and these two parts here are all level with each other, which probably means this part of the floor and then that other part on the other side of this raised bit is all the same height. You get the seats down nice and low, and it'll be simple. That'll make my life easy. I'll basically cut this out up to the transmission tunnel, carry it flat over there, continue this up, flat here. I think it'll be good. That means I can directly mount the seat to the floor, and going closer to the floor also gives me a slightly longer reach with my leg to the pedal because I was still worried about not having enough forward distance on that seat. That makes me a lot happier. Good Lord. Holy shit, that's a hole. Alright. Whee! So now with any hope, I should be able to use the two little bits that I cut out and a nice new piece of 16 gauge sheet metal. Should just be able to draw this shape out and go to town. This. Okie dokie. Let's go see how those bad boys fit. I'm hoping my solution for cutting the shape was pretty good. I don't see why it wouldn't be, but you never know. This guy. Yeah, perfect. Just got to bend a little bit of a lip on the edge here, and that'll fit really well. And this guy, the floor actually needs a bit more trimmed out of it, and that'll fit really well. Now I get to go through the fun of trying to bend a piece of sheet metal again. God damn, dude. Ugh. Whatever. I mean, that could be worse. Huh, you know what? That might actually fit. We just luck that out first try. That'd be really cool. All right, how are we fitting now? You know what? I can work with that. Actually, wow. I'm really impressed how much structure this flat steel has. Holy dude. It's actually about as structural as it was. Alrighty, buddy, how do you fit? Measurements say it should fit between. Yes. Oh, look at the headroom. Oh, that actually might be too far forward. Oh, this is beautiful. Wow, these seats are low, dude. A little bit off center from the wheel, but that doesn't really bother me. The headroom, man. That's incredible. Yeah. The steering wheel is so high, though. Yeah. Beautiful, dude. Cool. All right. Let's finish this goddamn floor. All right, let's go grab some cardboard and figure out how to do this hole here. 16 1/4 by 8. Way off. It's got a nice opening for the drive shaft. The height is perfect for the tunnel. That just leaves the piece here. Okay, I made a few trims and adjustments. I actually flipped my template around. Everything lines up very nicely and everything clears good. Let's cut it to the shape of the barrel and weld her in there. Here's our final shape. Alrighty, how does this stupid thing fit? Cool. I can make it work. I think we're good to go. Cut that out of steel. This is a little rusty. This is ugly, isn't it? I've done too much welding on this. That is spot on, dude. Alright, I can only wonder how terribly this is gonna go. Damn, that looks really good. Really good. And just fix that hole a little bit. And then this part of the floor here, a little bit of a slice. Boom, just like that. Okay, this silly hole has evolved a little larger than I ever thought it would be. It's a little ridiculous looking, but it fits the purpose. Okay, my GoPro died in the middle of that. I finished tacking most of this around the edge of the barrel. It's not too bad. It's actually pretty structural. Which means I can move on to the middle piece, and I don't know how the hell I'm going to do it. Big compound curve, and I'm kind of scared of it. There's also a piece back here I have to do yet. That's coming. I don't know how to do this. no.
This is not good cardboard for bending purposes.
I also have no idea how I'm gonna bend the steel after. Okay, I bent a piece of stainless TIG rod into a circle in hopes of having some kind of reference here. Not a bad shape. Okay, I have no idea if this is gonna work. No idea. No idea. All right, here's where we're at. I played around with some more pieces of sheet metal, the ones that I cut and made. None of it was really making me happy. I put the seat back in here to check to make sure we're gonna have clearance once I actually get this piece made, and we should. It'll be tight, but it'll clear just enough, and that's all we're here to worry about. I've also decided this middle piece is gonna be a part for a different day. I can't stand to look at it right now. It's driving me nuts. I don't think I'll be able to do it in one piece. I'll probably end up doing a few separate pieces. We'll sort that out next time. So for now, the flat bottom floor and the transmission tunnel is it. On a good note though, we're getting real close to having the floor of this stupid thing done. So I hope you enjoyed that mess of a process. I hope you come back to see the rest. Thanks for watching.